Hi there, this is Leo Locher and I'm creating a small video series for my new book, The DIY Phoenix, how to drag yourself out of the ashes, mend your wings and start flying again. We will start by sorting out the basics. And by basics, I mean basics. Things like safe roof over your head, food, water, place to sleep, like that kind of stuff. If that's totally not something you're concerned about, congratulations, you're lucky. Not everyone is that lucky, so that might well be something you will need to sort out first. I recommend starting with that because that will make everything else easier. It doesn't need to be fancy, nobody's going to be winning any awards, and that's okay. It just needs to work. Plan for midterm if you can. Long term might not be on the cards, I realize that at the moment, but go for midterm if you can. Don't be afraid to ask for help, because if people don't know that that's something you're struggling with, particularly if that's very new and if that's not what your previous life situation or circumstances were, people will not automatically assume that that's an area you need help with. There might be official help available, or it might come from things like community groups, faith groups, friends, family, and so on and so on. So don't be afraid to ask for help.